Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. Yay, I'm back. I missed you guys and I love y'all so much. Thank you for coming back for another video. So I'm going to be reviewing the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed line today in this video. But before I started trying the products out, I went ahead and I pre-pooed my hair using a different line of pre-poo, and so this is what my hair looks like after I pre-pooed. I let it sit for literally about maybe an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair out and make sure all of that pre-poo is out, so therefore whenever I start to wash my hair, I have a clean slate to start off with. I have lately been pre-pooing my hair for about the past, I think, 3 weeks, and I do see a difference in doing this before because I haven't had time to deep condition. So if I don't deep condition, I've been pre-pooing, and I do see a difference with my postpartum shedding. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is the Aunt Jackie's Power Wash Clarifying Intense Moisture Shampoo. So this shampoo actually lathered up very, very well, as you can see. And I always shampoo my hair starting off at the roots of my hair, and then I work the conditioner down the shaft of my hair. But I wanted to get my scalp clean because it had been a week and a half since I washed my hair. So this is what I do. This is how I bring it down the length of my hair, and then I start off at the roots, and then I work my way down. So this shampoo had a really, really good lather, and it did exactly what it said it would do. This is definitely a clarifying shampoo. Like, made my hair squeaky clean. But with that being said, when I rinsed my hair out, it was like a brick. It stripped my hair of moisture. It stripped my hair of all of the buildup and everything. So it got my hair super duper clean, but I hate the way my hair felt after that. So now I'm gonna go in with this Grapeseed and Shine Rescued Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. And this conditioner is designed to use right after the clarifying shampoo because it's supposed to rescue your hair from, I guess, the dryness of it. So this conditioner is super thick, and so I just went ahead and applied this down the length of my hair. As you guys know, you're supposed to put conditioner on your ends first and work your way up, because your ends of your hair is the oldest part, so that needs to sit the longest and it needs the most moisture. So that's what I'm doing, is working my way up from my ends up to my roots. I did use quite a bit, and I really like the conditioner a lot. I want to say the conditioner is like my favorite out of the whole line, so I will be using a conditioner again. The only thing is that it didn't give me as much slip as I would have liked, but all in all, the conditioner was really good, and it rescued my hair from literally from that clarifying shampoo. So the shampoo I would recommend for anybody who has a lot of buildup, like if you had braids for a while or if you use a lot of products, that shampoo would be good to clarify your hair. But I'm not a huge fan of how my hair felt after that. And the conditioner did come through and made my hair feel really soft afterwards. But so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just apply this conditioner to the ends of my hair, work my way up to my roots, and then I clip my hair up, and I let this sit in while I take my shower, wash my face, and then I'll be right back. So now that my face is washed and body's washed, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair out. So I did this, I let it sit for maybe about 10 minutes because I shaved and everything, so the conditioner can have time to actually sit and replenish my hair. And it did pretty good. My hair felt really good. Like I said, it didn't have the best slip in the world, and that's what I like to. I love a conditioner that has a lot of slip. So the conditioner was good. So now let's move on to styling. As you guys know, I always go in with the same leave-in conditioner, and this one is the Miche Lavish leave-in conditioner. This is my absolute favorite leave-in conditioner in the entire world. It's so moisturizing and just so bomb. So that's always the base of my hair. Now I'm gonna go in with this Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. The jelly is, as you can see, super thick, and it felt really good going on to my hair. So I just went ahead and divided my hair up into smaller sections, and then this is about how much I used in each subsection. And I just, went through and I did the raking method, and then of course I always go back in with the smoothing method, or the praying heads method, as that's what's also known as the praying heads method. And now I'm just kind of just, applying it to my hair. This is what my hair looks like after all of the gel is applied to my hair. It did weigh my hair down, which is what I do like. That was a good indicator that I was going to have hold. So I'm going to go in as the topper over the gel is with this Frizz Control styling mousse. I've been kind of doing this the past couple times with my wash and goes, is putting a mousse over it. And I do see a difference. This one is like designed to help with the frizz, and I didn't want to have any frizz, so I went ahead and topped it with the mousse. The mousse smelled so good. I like the consistency of it, and so just stay tuned for my thoughts for tomorrow. Hey guys, so this is day one. All I did was literally take my hair out of the bands, and this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Shine Mist here. This is Shine Boss. This is a Grapeseed style Shine Recipes Refreshing Shine Mist. So my hair does have a hard a gel cast over it, so hopefully this will help break up the gel cast and add some sheen to this hair. It smells really good. So this is my hair. Not very impressed with this line at all. I don't really like my hair at all. I probably will rewash it tomorrow. But yeah, the shampoo stripped my hair. Like I said in the voiceover, the shampoo stripped my hair. It wasn't very moisturizing like it claimed. The conditioner kind of replenished that moisture, but it wasn't the best conditioner that I've ever used. The styling jelly and the mousse felt really good on my hair while it was wet. And while it was drying, I felt it would be a bomb wash and go. But as of today, I don't really care for my hair. And I was on a good streak of loving my hair and the products I was trying until this. The Aunt Jackie's, the other one that I tried a while back, I really loved. But this one here just didn't do it for me. So not a fan of it. I will probably will be giving it away to somebody. But yeah, so that pretty much completes this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.